Hello everyone and welcome to the Iwa channel. Here you will find everything you need to learn English in a fun way. My name is Noty from Fun and Dynamic English, and today I'll be teaching the most annoying verb in English, the verb to get.
Get used to it!
And don't skip any part because you will find out the most unusual use of the verb to get, which in fact is super useful. So stay tuned until the very end of this video. Meanings of to get: to obtain, to receive, to become, to find. I got my passport last week, meaning I obtained my passport last week. I got a letter from my friend in Nigeria, meaning I received a letter from my friend in Nigeria.
Shark! I got a shark! I got a shark! I got a day! I got a day!
Another use of the verb to get: to go, to arrive, expressing movement and travel. How can I get there? Meaning, how can I travel or how can I go to that place? We got to London around 6 p.m, meaning we arrived in London around 6 p.m. It's also related to means of transport. For example, we can use get in or get on depending on what transport you're traveling by. For example, you can say to get on the bus, meaning to enter the bus, or to get in the car, meaning to enter the car. By the way, I've got a great trick for you. Do you usually find it difficult to know whether it's in or on? Good. Listen up. We use on with means of transport where you can stand on the floor. You can stand on that means of transport. For example, the tube, the metro, the bus, the train. But you use in for means of transport that are enclosed, like a car, taxi, van, truck. Get also expresses the idea of passing from one stage to another. For example, the kids will get tired, meaning the kids will become tired. Kevin got drunk last night. Kevin drank a lot of alcohol last night, from sober to drunk.
Last night I got arrested for drunk driving.
One last example. I'm getting tired of you, meaning I was patient in the past but I'm changing my state and now I'm no longer patient. I am getting tired of you. If you're still watching this video, let me know it by leaving a green heart in the comments. When we're using the passive voice, the verb to get is much more frequently used instead of the verb to be. Let me show you some examples to make it clearer. I got invited to the president's birthday party. We use I got invited instead of I was invited to the president's birthday party.
I got invited to a Vogue magazine party.
We also use to get to say that we have something done. Susan got her house painted. Susan had her house painted. Both options are okay. We also use get to express to give or to serve.
Can I get you a drink?
Another use. To get is also used to say to bring or to take.
I'll get you there.
To get, to understand. Do you get me? Do you understand me? Get is also used to say to catch. For example, get him, catch him. And then we have a very long list of other meanings of the verb to get. Are you ready? For example, to get up, to arise, to stand, to get along, to have a good relationship with someone, to get back, to return, to go back,
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
to get together, to unite, to link, to meet, to get down to start working on something, like let's get down to business.
Let's get down to business.
To get at, try to express, to get away with. It means to escape punishment for a crime or for a bad action.
To get away with this treachery.
To get by, to manage. For example, yeah, we don't earn much money, but we get by. To get down, to feel depressed or to descend. To get off. To get off means to leave.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car now!
Get on. Have a good relationship with someone. Amy and I really get on well. To get out of. To avoid doing something, especially a duty.
Get out of work?
To get over. To recover. Have you got over your cold yet? You look better. To get through. Use or finish the supply of something.
Get through all the security.
So today you learned how to use the verb get in different situations, but there are many verbs with different meanings. You can find and practice them on the EWA app, so don't forget to download it. The link is on the description down below. Now let's review these sentences and check how much you understood or how much you got. She her driving license last week. She got her driving license last week. She's just a new coat from Gucci. She's just got a new coat from Gucci. He usually $1,000 a year from his father. He usually gets $1,000 a year from his father. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for being one more time with us learning English in fun way. You can't imagine how much you've asked for this video, and we did it. We learned all the uses of the verb to get. If you think this class could be useful for other friends, don't hesitate and send it to them right now. And let me know in the comments which other verbs with many meanings you'd like me to teach you next time. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to follow me, Noty from Fun and Dynamic English and EWA English. And we really hope that you can keep on improving your level of English with us every day. Bye!